Hello children. Today we will study about what is a balanced diet. Balanced diet means a proper food whatever we take in our daily routine life. So there is a definition. A balanced diet is one that gives your body the nutrients. Nutrients means material that we get from the food to complete body actions like walking, digestion, working of heart, brain's process. To get the proper nutrition from your diet, you should consume means we have to eat the majority of daily calories like fresh fruits. They will give good source of calories. And eat seasonal food. कौन सा food? Seasonal food. Fresh vegetables, whatever coming in that season. Whole grains, legumes, nitrogenous food. Almonds means dry fruits. And lean protein. Lean protein you get from the meat mainly, and eggs. Healthy diets mean whatever is consist what come in the healthy diet. The fruits, I example given for fruits, fresh vegetables. Legumes means lentil and beans, all kinds of beans. Nuts, dry fruits, whole grains. Whole grains means unprocessed like maize, millet, oats, wheat, brown rice. These you will eat in your daily life. At least one of them, not all. You can eat brown rice, wheat, oats, anyone you can consist in your daily food. Or at least 400 grams. This is a quantity, 400 gram of fruit and vegetables per day. Understand? And excluding means remove potato is not consist in the vegetable, because and sweet potato also. Cassava is a food that is found in the area of like Zimbabwe and very poor countries, if sorry poor African countries, there it is found. Understand? And you are seeing that there is a picture of the products that we eat. We can eat out of them, like milk we can drink every day, है ना? Bun, strawberries, almonds, nuts, lemon, fish, tomato, capsicum, both red, yellow, green, fresh leafy vegetables like cauliflower, ba- cabbage, and spinach, fenugreek, and milk product. If you vegetarian, then eat, cut it, cut it. If you are non-vegetarian, then eat it also. This is the chart in which you can understand how much calories a person need in our daily life. From children from 2 years to 8 years, they need 1000 to 1400 calories. Girls 9 to 13, 1400 to 1600. Boys 9 to 13, 1600 to 2000, because boys work more than girls. Active women 14 to 30 for 2400 calories. Like this whole chart is given for you. You have to understand, learn it. Some more products I have settled in the slides, like some fruits. Also there is no fruit, but there is fruit also, like banana, watermelon. You are seeing, no? Understand? Banana, watermelon, papaya, and egg product. There is no egg, and peanuts, fishes, and broccoli. Broccoli is not commonly found in our area, so it is accepted. You can remove it. And meat, lentils, meat product, dairy product like paneer type. This is the chart. National Nutrition Week means in a week we have to eat these product at least. 1 2 times. Some dairy products like eat drink milk at least. If you are not drinking every day, then at least come on 2 3 days you have to drink milk. Eat paneer, cheese, fruits you have to consume also. Now if you are not taking every day, then at least 2 3 days you have to eat fruits, vegetables, and rice chapati. Not whole day chapati you can eat, understand? Otherwise no need to eat everyday chapati. Just sometimes in the maybe in the your dinner, no need to take chapati and rice. Just eat salads, only vegetables, pulses and beans. They are very important, and you have to eat at least 3 4 days. A balanced diet, you have to take one bowl curry, means any vegetables, cooked vegetable, one bowl pulses, one tomato, two three, one bowl of rice, 2 3 chapatis, and black salt also. This is a balanced diet. 25% grains, 40% vegetables, 10% fruits, and 25% like meat, egg, etc. etc. Understand? 25. This is the red area. Red area means fiber rich carbohydrate. Blue means fruits and vegetables. This one. So mainly it is supposed, I suppose that you have understood whatever I explained in this video. So for your homework, learn this chart and write on your copy. Understand? Write the definition of balanced diet and write the product which can give you calories in your daily life. Understand? So it is enough for today. Bye bye.